If you are still using normal gear in 2026, you are basically living in the Stone Age. Seriously, Amazon has quietly become a sci-fi catalog. You can now buy X-ray vision, pocket-sized cinemas, and AI tools that do your work for you, usually for less than the cost of a tank of gas. I dug through the weirdest corners of the internet to find the 50 best upgrades money can buy right now. No filler, no junk. Let's build your new reality. Section 1. Superhuman senses, vision and audio. First, let's upgrade your senses. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart glasses and OHO Bluetooth sunglasses aren't just for style. They let you capture POV video, take calls, and listen to music without blocking your ears. It's a heads-up display for real life. Break the language barrier instantly. The EUQQ AI translation earbuds have a smart touchscreen built right into the case and translate 144 languages. For professional speed, the Time Kettle W-T2 Edge offers simultaneous bi-directional translation, meaning you can speak over each other and still understand every word. Stop blocking your ears. The Shock's Open Run Pro 2 upgrades bone conduction with dual drivers, one for crisp highs and a dedicated air conduction driver for deep bass. It delivers 12 hours of 3D audio without ever going inside your ear. Section 2. Capture and observe cameras and optics. Capture it all with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate portable drone with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Or use the Insta360 X4. The software makes the selfie stick invisible, giving you third-person video game views of your life. See the invisible with the HIC Micro Thermal Camera. This attaches to your phone and reveals heat signatures. Spot energy leaks in your home or predators in the dark while camping. Look even further with the Unistellar EV Scope Equinox. This isn't a normal telescope. It's a smart robot that enhances light to show you deep space galaxies in color right on your phone screen. Section 3. Pocket Tools EDC. Darkness doesn't stand a chance. The Nightcore T4K is the world's smallest 4,000 lumen flashlight. It's brighter than a car headlight but fits on your keychain. For something sleeker, the Hoto flashlight offers a minimalist design with a built-in seatbelt cutter. Need fire? The Soto Pocket Torch turns a cheap disposable lighter into a wind-resistant blowtorch reaching 2,300 degrees. Stop twisting your wrist. The Fantic E1 Max and Fantic E2 Ultra are precision electric screwdrivers. They have magnetic bits and enough torque to build a PC or fix glasses in seconds. Section 4. Survival and off-grid. No wood, no problem. The GoSun Go portable solar oven cooks meals in 20 minutes using nothing but sunlight. If you do have wood, use the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. It burns twigs to cook your food and converts that heat into electricity to charge your phone via USB. Drink from any stream with the SteriPen Adventurer. It uses UV light to kill 99.99% of bacteria in seconds, or use the Levoit air purifiers to keep your home or tent air clean and never freeze again. The Ororo heated vest and Zippo rechargeable hand warmers provide active heat on demand, keeping you comfortable in the worst weather. When you are off the grid, your phone is a paperweight. The ACR Reis Q-Link View beams your GPS coordinates directly to satellites, no cell tower needed. The digital screen confirms help is on the way. The camping security alarm uses radar technology that penetrates bushes and fog to create an invisible 360-degree security bubble around your camp. Stop fumbling with handheld lights. The Cavan rechargeable camping light extends nearly 7 feet high, to flood your entire campsite with light, and the 10,000 milliamp hour battery doubles as a power bank. Section 5, Automotive and Power. Never call a tow truck again. The Noco GB40 Jump Starter can bring a dead car battery back to life in seconds. Pair it with the Fantic X8 Apex Tire Inflator, a cordless compressor that tops off your tires automatically. Stop driving with a nest of wires. The Baseus Prime Trip VR2 features dual retractable USB-C cables that disappear when not in use, with enough power to fast charge a MacBook and iPhone simultaneously. Stop cluttering your expensive counters with ugly power strips. The Anquan pop-up outlet hides inside your desk or island. When it's down, it's a seamless 15-watt wireless charger. Press the top and it rises automatically to reveal 3 high-power outlets and 65-watt USB-C ports fast enough to charge a laptop. Section 6, Smart Home Hacks. Turn any wall into a theater with the Anchor Nebula capsule. It's the size of a soda can, but projects a 100-inch screen. Stop wasting food. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer sucks the air out of your jars with one button, keeping salads and dry goods fresh for weeks. Stop tolerating the buzz of cheap fans. The Amazon Basics oil radiator delivers 1,500 watts of completely silent warmth with an all-black finish that fits a modern setup. Stop waking up to a blaring alarm clock. The SwitchBot Curtain 3 turns your existing curtains into robots. It installs in seconds and uses a light sensor to slide your curtains open automatically with the sunrise, waking you up naturally with sunlight. It's 2026. Stop touching the toilet lid. The Horo Smart Toilet opens automatically, features a heated seat and bidet, and makes toilet paper feel ancient. The Song Mic's motion sensor can open in 0.3 seconds the moment it senses you, holding 18 gallons of trash without you ever touching a dirty lid. Stop tracing by hand. The Fomimo M08 F tattoo printer is wireless, inkless, and prints perfect stencils directly from your phone. Stop serving cold food. The foldable electric warming mat is a silicone heating surface that keeps your entire buffet hot, then rolls up tight to fit in a drawer. Get that addictive good ice at home. The Uhomie Nugget Ice Maker churns out soft sonic ice in just 6 minutes and features a rugged handle for portability. Section 7, Personal Care and Workspace. Bad hotel coffee is a thing of the past. The Wakako Nano Presso creates handheld barista-quality espresso using just hot water and hand pressure. The Fellow Carter Move upgrades standard steel with a ceramic interior coating, keeping the flavor 100% pure and locking heat for 12 hours. Your water bottle is a bacteria trap. The Philips Go Zero uses UVC light to sanitize itself automatically and tracks your hydration via an app. Stop washing clothes in a dirty sink. The Viba Lobeck portable washer folds flat but pops up to wash 16 liters of laundry with built-in sterilization. Throw away that rubber blower. The Nightcore BB21 is a jet engine for your camera gear, blasting wind at 80 km/h to strip dust off your sensor instantly. This isn't a leaf blower, it's a handheld jet engine. The Yukasin cordless blower spins at 980,000 RPM to clear patios or dry your car in seconds. Stop wiping crumbs onto the floor. The Trees Life Desk vacuum sucks up dust and keyboard debris in seconds, keeping your workspace surgical. Turn your laptop into a command center. The Baseus SpaceMate docking station powers a triple 4K monitor setup and features a privacy button to black out screens instantly. Stop using string. The BitV C6 water flosser features a massive tank and runs for 40 days on a charge, keeping your hygiene perfect off-grid. The premium ear cleaner is a 1080p endoscope for your head, letting you safely remove debris with robotic-style tweezers. The Caligy Mini Heat Press fits into tight spots like hats or shoes, letting you customize gear with professional heat transfer patches. Stop sweating. The Taurus Coolify 2S is a wearable air conditioner that drops your temp by 30 degrees in 1 second. 2 ways to track your life. The Whoop 5.0 tracks your health span for 14 days screen-free. The Smart Ring puts an OLED screen on your finger for instant data. Whether you are upgrading your bathroom to 2026 standards or just trying to get better ice, these tools are designed to solve problems you didn't know you had. I've linked every single item in the description below so you can check the current prices. Which one of these would you actually use? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear that upgrades your life. See you in the next one.